Today we are going to learn there is and there are. We use them to say that something exists or is present in a place. We use there is to talk about one thing. For example,
There is a book on the table.
we use there are to talk about many things. For example,
There are two books on the table.
it's very simple. One thing, there is. More than one, there are. Let's look at some more examples.
There is a dog in the park. There are three cats in the garden. There is a pen in my bag. There are many people in the room.
For the negative form, that is to say that something is not there, we add not after there is or there are. For example,
There is not a cat in the box. There are not many cars in the street.
the short forms are very common in spoken English. The previous sentences would look like this in their contracted form.
There isn't a cat in the box. There aren't many cars in the street.
For the interrogative form, that is, to ask a question, we put is or are before there. For example,
Is there a park near here? Are there any apples on the table?
let's practice what you've learned. Complete the following sentences with the correct form of there is or there are.
There is a book on the table. There are two pencils in my bag. There is not a computer in the classroom. You can also say, there isn't a computer in the classroom. There are not many people in the park today. You can also say, there aren't many people in the park today. Is there a TV in the living room? Are there any students in the library?
And that's it for today. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next lessons. See you soon.